EasyLift Equipment EL ergonomic drum transporters are the safe and ergonomic solution for picking and transporting drums from the floor or a pallet. EasyLift Equipment has developed an extensive line of ergonomic drum transporters since our original model was awarded a U.S. patent in 1997. This unit features our scale system for both intrinsically safe and non-intrinsically safe areas for weighing the contents of drums or performing inventory. Scales are extremely accurate and eliminate the need for pre-weighing materials into other containers on floor scales for batching. Both the EG1 single clamping mechanism and EG2 double clamping mechanism are available for this drum transporter. Before using the equipment, the operator should perform a visual inspection of all the hydraulic components and scale wiring to check for any leaks or damage to the equipment from previous usage. If any damage is located, contact a supervisor immediately. Before proceeding, you should verify that all functions are in proper working order. This includes raising and lowering the clamp. Scales are an available option for all drum transporters and offer the ability to instantly weigh drums, as well as eliminate the additional time needed to travel to and from other scales for weighing. To power up the scale, first ensure the drum transporter clamp is empty and not holding any loads. Then, briefly press the 0 power button. The scale should automatically be set to 0 upon being powered up. In a case where the indicator's gross weight is not set to 0, briefly press the 0 button on the indicator. Tapping the units button will easily switch you between pounds, kilograms, ounces, and grams. To prepare the transporter to grip a drum, step down on the smaller release pedal of the hydraulic cylinder so the clamping mechanism is fully lowered. Once testing is complete, disengage the foot floor lock and begin application. Push the drum transporter to the corner of the pallet so the lower clamping jaw is below the drum's chime. Keep the clamping mechanism pressed tightly against the side of the drum and pump the larger foot pedal up and down until the lower clamping jaw engages with the chime of the drum. Continue to pump the foot pedal, allowing the pedal to travel all the way up and pressing completely down to achieve the full 3/4 inch stroke. The weight of the drum will activate the mechanism, causing the upper jaw to clamp down on the chime, securing the drum. Prior to documenting drum weights, operators should allow the contents of the drum to settle to provide the most accurate possible measurement. Scales should be used on a flat level surface and are extremely accurate and eliminate the need for pre-weighing materials into other containers on floor scales for batching. Select indicators can be hardwired to printers or configured to wirelessly transmit to PLCs. To lower the drum, press softly on the small pedal. The lowering pedal is pressure sensitive, allowing the operator to control the speed of descent. Pressing too hard on the lowering pedal can cause the drum to lower rapidly. Ergonomic drum transporters require the operator to place or remove drums from the corner of a pallet. It is recommended to apply slight forward pressure as you raise the clamp to ensure a solid grip. Only lift the drum to the minimum height needed for proper floor clearance before transporting the drum to its destination. Never, under any circumstances, should you lift or suspend loads over people. In lieu of manual foot pump for high-volume applications, additional powered lift options are also available. These include pneumatic air tank, which can be used to provide approximately 20 lifts per charge in hazardous work environments, and DC-powered lift, which can provide 600+ lifts per charge in non-hazardous work environments. Standard models are steel construction with safety yellow powder coating for durability. Optional FDA-approved metallic gray powder coating as well as full 304 stainless steel construction are available for food and pharmaceutical applications. Both include food-grade grease, food-grade hydraulic fluid, and corrosion-resistant lift and lower chains. In addition to scale systems, another available option is a handbrake, which provides the operator with an additional system to slow down or stop the drum transporter during travel. Standard models offer a minimum of 20 inches of lift for standard 55-gallon drums. Configurations offering up to 60 inches of lift are available contingent on unit capacity and options. Dar-Core ergonomic casters allow the operator to easily maneuver the fully loaded machine with minimal effort. Our ergonomic step-down foot floor lock is easy to engage or release and acts as a parking brake when the transporter is not in use. When operation is complete or you plan to step away from the equipment, always engage the step-down floor lock. Leaving the transporter unsecured may allow it to move inadvertently and cause property damage or personal injury. As stated earlier, to achieve the full 3/4 inch stroke when raising the clamp, it is important to press the pedal all the way down, then allow it to travel all the way back up during each foot pump. When achieving full stroke, it takes approximately 32 foot pumps to raise the clamp to its maximum height, as seen here. The EG1 single clamping mechanism is designed for steel and plastic chimed drums. The EG2 double clamping mechanism is recommended for working with open-top drums, plastic or fiber drums. There is a specific procedure for clamping fiber drums. Please consult the manual for the best method for handling fiber drums. Switching out clamping heads is an easy process consisting of first, using the foot pedal to raise the clamping head to a comfortable height, then removing a circle cotter pin as well as a single stainless steel retaining pin and sliding the clamp up and out of the mast. Next, remove the circle cotter pin and stainless steel retaining pin from the new head and install it into the mast, lowering it to the desired height. Reinstall the stainless steel retaining pin and circle cotter pin to secure the clamping head into place. The clamping heads are also adjustable to handle shorter height drums by removing that same circle cotter pin and stainless steel retaining pin and raising or lowering the clamp position on the mast accordingly. When finished, always place the drum transporter in a safe location and lower the clamp if needed. Also, be sure to engage the step-down foot floor lock and power off the scale prior to walking away from the equipment. We offer a 30-day free trial toward purchase program for first-time buyers. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your drum handling project, please contact us today.